Students, today we are going to learn about triple column cash book with the bank overdraft. Today we are going to discuss about bank overdraft. We have two type of bank balance. One is bank balance debit, another one is bank balance credit. Bank balance debit is a favorable balance, bank balance credit is an unfavorable balance. First we will see bank balance debit. When business have fund with the bank, now bank owes money to the business, that we called bank balance debit. Now we'll see that another one, bank balance credit. The business withdraw money from bank over the account balance called bank balance credit. This is called bank overdraft. In that case, the business owes money to the bank. Let me see the problem. From the following transaction, prepare 3-column cash book. 3-column cash book. 2017 1st September cash balance. Cash balance where it will be recorded 1st September 2017. Cash balance recorded in the debit side, in cash column. Next we have bank balance credit. It is an unfavorable balance, so it will go to the credit side. It will go to the credit side. It will go to the credit side. 1st September 2017 by balance PD. It will go to the bank column. How much here? 13,070. Cash balance goes to the debit side. Bank balance, if it is debit, it will go to the debit side. Here bank balance credit, which means bank OD. We owes money to the business, owes money to the bank. So bank OD, it will be recorded in the credit side of cash book, by balance recorded in the bank column. Next, paid into bank. We have to record contra entry. We paid into bank. Bank balance increases, cash balance decreases. First, bank balance increases. So in debit side, written in the bank column. Here in bank column written, here we have to write what? Cash contra, date 3/9/17. Which balance decreases? Cash balance. Here we should write that opposite item C, date 3/9/17. Next, received from Mala. We received from Mala. It is a receipt to Mala. Mala 9,380. Discount allowed how much? 120. Goods sold for cash 7,600. It is a receipt. Two sales 7,600. Next, cash purchase is a payment. By purchase is a payment made by cash, 11,750. Next, gave Padma a check. Gave Padma a check means we gave check to Padma. 12/9/2017 by Padma. We gave check to Padma. When we issue check, it will be recorded in the bank column. We gave Padma a check for rupees 21,375 and was allowed a discount of 125. So we gave check, so it will be recorded in the bank column. The discount value recorded in the discount received column. Next, purchased printer by check. So payment by check, by printer. Payment made by the check, so recorded in the bank column. Next, received from Rajesh is a receipt to Rajesh. Received from Rajesh 14,320. Discount 180. Now we are going to balance. Here we have three columns. Here we have three columns, namely discount, cash and bank. We have three columns, namely discount, cash and bank. I said earlier, the discount column should be totaled. It should not be balanced. Total 300. Credit side total 125. It should not be balanced. Then come to cash column. Cash column, I said, debit side cash column always heavier than credit side cash column. Already I totaled debit side cash column. It is 56,300. 56,300. So credits 56,300 minus the credit total 26,750. 26,750. Our balance is 29,550. 29,550 is the cash balance. Cash date 39/2. It is the opening balance of 1st October 2017. To balance BD 29,550. Students, cash column always the debit side value heavier than credit side. But bank column we should be very careful. Sometime debit side value heavier than credit side. Sometime the credit side value heavier than debit side. But in this case, the credit side bank column value is heavier than debit side. Total already I calculated 42,045. 42,045. So 42,045 minus debit total 15,000. Bank balance by balance PD. You go to the here the bank balance shows the credit balance, so it is a bank overdraft. It is called OD. Students, we completed triple column cash book with the overdraft. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.